In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any personal project, adding a table can help you display data clearly and concisely. Tables are a great way to organize information, making it easier for your audience to understand your points. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to insert a table into your PowerPoint presentation with ease. First things first, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you have any existing presentations, feel free to open one, or you can create a new one to practice these steps. Once you have your presentation ready, navigate to the slide where you want to add a table. Tables are a great feature to incorporate into slides where you want to compare figures, list data, or organize information effectively. Selecting the appropriate slide where this information belongs is key to ensuring your presentation is both informative and visually appealing. Now let's get right into the mechanics of inserting that table. At the top of the PowerPoint window, you'll find a row of tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This area offers a variety of options to add additional elements to your slides, such as images, shapes, and of course tables. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, look for the Table option. Clicking on the Table option will open a small grid. This grid allows you to quickly select the number of columns and rows you want in your table by simply hovering over the grid. As you move your cursor, you'll see a preview of the table appear on your slide. This visual aid is helpful because it allows you to adjust how many columns and rows you may need in real time, depending on the complexity of the information you're presenting. Choosing the right size is crucial, as too many cells can clutter your slide, while too few might not give you enough room to display your data effectively. If you need a more custom sized table or additional options, you can click Insert Table to open a dialog box that lets you specify the exact number of rows and columns you need. Once you've decided on the size of your table, click to insert it into your slide. And there you have it. Your table is now ready for you to input data. Remember, you can customize the table's design and style using the Table Tools tab that appears whenever you select your table. This customization can help match the table to the theme of your presentation, creating a cohesive look. So, whether you're detailing projected sales figures, comparing year-over-year growth, or simply organizing bullet points into a neater format, tables are a highly effective tool to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to practice these steps to become more confident in adding tables to your slides. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.